Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Hunting Technologies. Got a tech tip for you today. How to find out if your pump and the impeller is actually working like it's supposed to. So in your wet blasting machine, normally when you step on your foot pedal, you get this heavy pressurized blast that comes out of the gun. To check and see if your pump's working, because right now we've got air on and the pump. You can either turn the pressure all the way down or you can unhook the air, either way. Let's open the door so you can actually see it. So now when we hit our foot pedal, when we hit the foot pedal, it should be coming out kind of like a garden hose. That lets you know that the pump itself is running, the impeller's turning, and you're actually pulling your water and media up through there. Without that, when you step on the pedal with the air off, it'll do absolutely nothing. That's our tech tip for the day. If you have any questions, give me a call. 828-220-4983. Thanks for watching.